Hey friend, it's Katie here, and welcome to my ManyChat mini series where I am going to be diving into ManyChat, showing you some of the features and how I use it for my business. I am going to preface all of this with saying that I am by no means the ManyChat expert, but I have learned a few things, and I'm just going to go ahead and share that with you. I'm going to be sharing a few flows and things with my team. So I wanted to go ahead and just record these videos and hopefully it'll help somebody also learn a little bit about ManyChat. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you have to have a Facebook business page in order to have a ManyChat account because the messages will directly come from your business page. You have to have that linked. So if you don't already, go ahead and pause this video and go ahead and create your Facebook business page. And after you have that complete, you can come back and then you're going to go to ManyChat.com. There are a couple different options for this. There is a free option, and that is actually what I use, is the free version. Otherwise, there is a monthly that you can pay monthly to upgrade it and you get additional features. I don't have that, so I can't speak to those features or anything, but I will show you here what is available in the free version. So if you don't have an account, you're going to want to go ahead and get started free and go ahead and set up your account, link it to your Facebook business page. I already have that, so I'm just going to sign in. Okay, so once you are signed in here, it automatically brings you to your dashboard, and it can show you here your bot link. So it is called a messenger bot. So if you've heard that phrase before, this is a messenger bot. You can set up messages to automatically send to people, and you can do all kinds of great things. So they've also added a text message and email service. Those are only available on the Pro version, which is the paid version. And I'm just going to keep scrolling down here, and you can see it'll show you your active subscribers. It gives you some demographics here about the people subscribed to your bot, and then also gives you just an overview of some of the things you have created here, different growth tools and flows, and all of those kinds of things. So we're going to go over here to the side menu, and we're in the dashboard right now. You can also click on audience, and that'll show you the people that are subscribed into your bot. The next thing we're going to go to is growth tools. So this, you can only have 4 growth tools with the free version, which isn't the end of the world. I have ended up having to delete some. So when you create a new one, if you have one that you're not using anymore, you can't just archive it or put it into draft. You have to actually delete it. If you want to be able to do more than 4 at a time, you would need to upgrade to the Pro version. So these are growth tools. We'll dive into this in another part of this training. I'm going to do 3 different parts. So this is part 1, which is just a brief overview. So growth tools. And then there is broadcasting. Broadcasting is when you want to send like mass messages to people for different various reasons. So you can see here, this is a history of some messages that I have sent, how many people it has sent to. You can also see how many people, so it was sent to 91, it got delivered to 89. That's how many people have clicked and how many people have read the message, and it gives you percent. So as you can see here, they have pretty high percent read rate, which is amazing. So that's really why I like to try to use this. But there are some restrictions and things, so I don't use it quite as much. I use it mostly now for different sales that I do when I do like flash sales, or for like my affiliates, and I'll send messages through here for through ManyChat for affiliates. So broadcasts, so you can have a draft section here. So anything that you just haven't sent, they have some like pre-built things in here for you. And then scheduled, so if you can actually schedule these to go out. So I have one scheduled now to actually go later today. So that'll send out at a specific time. And then automation. So I don't use this a lot right now, but you can set up a bunch of different like automation steps. You can do like a welcome message, which I think I have this. Yeah, so I have a welcome message set up so that can send to people. There it just popped up. So you can see, so when somebody subscribes, it can send them this message if they forget exactly how they have to subscribe to get this message, because it's only been sent 9 times. But then it can send them through this flow here. Keywords. This one I don't use a lot, but yeah, if they say like a specific keyword, you can send them a certain pre-formatted message back, so it'll like automatically send them a message back. Sequences. This is something that I use for my affiliates. So it has 9 messages in there right now. I've only used it twice so far, but what this does is it'll automatically send them messages in a certain sequence. So that is that. And then there's flows. This is what I use quite a bit. I use flows and growth tools, and then broadcasting. So I'll use those a lot. You can create different folders in here, and we'll kind of go over flows in another video. And then you have settings, just some like general settings there. And then templates, you can actually get some free templates. So you can get there's pro ones that you can only get if you have the pro version, or free. So instead of starting your ManyChat from scratch, you can grab some of these templates and do that. So that is just the brief overview of ManyChat. And if you want to continue on this little mini series, go ahead and find video 2. Thanks. Bye.